Want to know a secret? Women are drawn to men who don't need to shout their worth. It's the reserved men, the Stoic figures, who often hold an irresistible fascination. These men understand a fundamental truth. Self-confidence isn't loud. It's a silent symphony of assurance. Think about it. Who would you find more captivating? A man who brags about his accomplishments, or a man who lets his actions speak for themselves? The answer is obvious. True power doesn't need a loudspeaker. It resonates through calmness, self-control, an unshakable sense of self. This essay isn't about making you mute. It's about harnessing the magnetic power of Stoicism, letting your actions speak for you, becoming a man who captivates without uttering a word. So, are you ready to discover the silent language of attraction? Socrates, the father of Western philosophy, was known for his quiet wisdom. He believed that true knowledge came from understanding yourself, not from endless chatter. Socrates rarely gave direct answers. Instead, he asked thought-provoking questions, forcing his students to confront their own beliefs. His silence wasn't passive, it was powerful. It challenged, it intrigued, it made people lean in and listen. Think about it. In a world obsessed with noise, silence becomes a rare and precious commodity. When you choose to speak less and listen more, you're not just showing respect, you're demonstrating a self-control that's incredibly attractive. Embrace the Socratic silence. Let your words be few and carefully chosen. You'll be surprised at the impact you'll have. Words can lie, but your body language tells the truth. An alpha male doesn't need to announce his presence. His behavior speaks volumes before he even utters a single syllable. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Make eye contact, not with arrogance, but with a quiet confidence. Move with purpose, with a calm awareness of your surroundings. Your body language is a constant broadcast, telling the world who you are and what you stand for. Make sure it's sending the right message. Remember, you're not trying to be someone you're not. You're simply allowing your inner strength and confidence to radiate outwards. Plato believed that true happiness came from self-control, not from chasing fleeting desires. He saw self-control as the ultimate virtue, the mark of a truly free man. Think about it, a man who can control his impulses, his emotions, his reactions, is a man who's in charge of himself. He isn't swayed by every fleeting whim or temptation. This inner strength is incredibly attractive because it shows a deep character. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, self-control is a superpower. Practice it, cultivate it, and watch how it transforms you into a man of quiet power. Section 5. Discipline, the forge of charisma. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, it is because we do not dare that they are difficult, wrote the Roman Stoic philosopher Seneca. His words still ring true today. Discipline, the ability to push yourself, is the forge where charisma is tempered. When you commit to a goal, whether it's going to the gym, mastering a new skill, or simply keeping your word, you develop an inner resilience that people find magnetic. You demonstrate a level of self-respect and dedication that attracts attention. Remember that discipline is not a punishment. It's about self-respect. It's about choosing to be there for yourself, even when it's hard. And that kind of inner strength is irresistible. Section 6. Observing silently the power of a discerning eye. Have you ever noticed that the quietest person in a room often seems to know the most? That's because they're not just hearing words. They're observing, analyzing, and understanding the subtle clues that others miss. Silent observation is a powerful tool. It allows you to see beneath the surface, to understand people's motivations, and to read between the lines. This kind of insight is invaluable in any interaction, especially when it comes to attraction. When you take the time to truly see someone, to listen to them without interrupting, to understand their point of view, you create a connection that goes far beyond superficial conversation. You demonstrate a level of respect and attention that is incredibly attractive. Section 7. Modern Stoicism, silent magnetism in a loud world. Stoicism isn't some old philosophy stuck in dusty books. It's a way of life that's more important than ever in our crazy world. Think about the men we look up to today. The entrepreneurs who stay calm under pressure, the athletes who keep their cool even when they lose, and the artists who pour their hearts into their work without needing anyone's approval. These men show what Stoicism is all about: self-control, discipline, resilience, and a quiet confidence that speaks volumes. They understand that real strength comes from within, not from what other people think. These men don't need to shout their accomplishments from the rooftops. Their actions, their behavior, and their quiet confidence speak for themselves. Section 8. Embrace the silent power within. The path to becoming an alpha male, a man who captivates without saying a word, isn't about arrogance or dominance. It's about self-mastery. It's about cultivating the virtues of Stoicism, embracing silence, speaking less, listening more, choosing your words carefully, mastering your body language, standing tall, making eye contact, moving with purpose, cultivating self-control, resisting impulsive desires, choosing your reactions consciously, embracing discipline, setting goals and sticking to them, developing resilience through consistent effort, becoming a silent observer, paying attention to details, reading between the lines. It's not about becoming someone you're not. It's about unlocking the potential that's already within you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, a man of quiet confidence and undeniable magnetism. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to silent seduction. Remember, attracting a woman isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming a man worthy of her attention. It's about embodying the qualities women find irresistible: strength, integrity, self-awareness, and a quiet confidence that speaks volumes. The journey to silent seduction begins within. It's about mastering yourself, not manipulating others. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need to chase attention because he naturally commands it. So embrace the power of Stoicism. Let your actions speak. And watch how you attract the kind of woman who appreciates a man of substance, a man of quiet strength.